In this video, we are going to learn why PowerPivot is necessary and how we can create data model. To explain why PowerPivot is necessary, I am taking example of customer info worksheet and order info worksheet. In customer info worksheet, we have complete detail of customer like customer ID, company name, contact name and so on. And in order info worksheet, I have complete detail of order. Suppose I want to make relationship of customer info worksheet with order info worksheet, and this relationship will help us to get complete list of order with particular customer ID because customer ID is unique. For example, in customer ID, first one is Nick, this one, and in order info worksheet over here, Nick has given 6 order, this one. So this customer info and order info relationship is helpful for us to get complete order list for particular customer ID. So to create relationship in Excel, PowerPivot will help us. For creating relationship between worksheet, first we have to create data model of worksheet with the help of PowerPivot tab. For that, first I am going to customer info worksheet over here. After that, click to any cell of that worksheet, like I am selecting A2 cell. Then go to PowerPivot tab over here, click over it, and in that click to add to data model, this one. The moment we click to add to data model option, it will create new interface based on our current worksheet, this one. Whatever we will do changes here, it will directly reflect to our customer info worksheet. This new interface is on PowerPivot. Over here you can see PowerPivot for Excel. We will get separate PowerPivot ribbon. In that we will get certain options that help us to work on worksheet. In this PowerPivot interface, only customer info worksheet is there. We have to bring order info worksheet also. For that, go to Excel worksheet and then go to order info worksheet over here, and then click to any cell of the order info worksheet, like I am selecting A2 cell, and then click to PowerPivot tab over here, and in that click to add to data model. Same new interface will come in front of us, but this time this order info worksheet will come beside customer info worksheet over here. Now our both worksheet came under PowerPivot interface. In the next video, we will connect these two worksheets with each other. So I will see you in next video.